This video describes information formats, or containers, and demonstrates how to apply filters in FlashFind to find the best results for your searches. Within FlashFind, Bjork Library's unified search tool, information resources are organized into containers, also known as formats or resource types. Some formats include books, magazines, reports, articles, videos, audio recordings, etc. This slide shows several different types of information containers. Can you identify what makes each format unique? For example, books usually present a complete work in one volume or multi-sets, while periodicals are issued on a recurring basis and include a variety of shorter articles written by multiple authors. Magazines are published periodically in physical or electronic format, and each magazine issue is made up of multiple articles. An article is a written text focused on a specific topic or topics. Same applies to websites and web pages. A website consists of many web pages under one domain name, while a web page is a single web document with a unique URL. FlashFind is structured so that a researcher can search for needed information across various containers or resource types. In this example, the library's digital resources are compared to smart TVs or Rokus. In libraries, we use the term database, which is an organized collection of information and/or data. In this example, a database compared to a specific streaming channel, such as Netflix or Disney+. Containers or resource types, such as a book series, a magazine, or an academic journal, can be compared to a specific TV show on Netflix, which is made up of several episodes. A single journal article, or a book chapter, is comparable to a single episode of a Netflix show. When conducting research on FlashFind, the sheer amount of results can be overwhelming, sometimes finding results in the tens of thousands. In order to narrow down your search results, you can apply filters, including the resource type filter, to get your desired amount and types of results. Filters and resource types can be found on the left-hand side of your search results page in main categories of key filters, resource types, creation date, subjects, language, and more. Some of the most common filters are scholarly and peer-reviewed, creation date, language, and subjects. Starting out on our homepage, you can type your search terms in the FlashFind bar, located in the middle of the library's homepage. For example, let's try to find some resources on cats, and then hit the Enter key. This will take you to the results page, and you can narrow your results in two ways. Here, you can do a quick filter of resource types. Or, if you want to do additional filtering of your results, you can choose options from the key filter section, such as scholarly and peer-reviewed, or available online, or creation date, etc. Due to the vast amount of resource types, not all are displayed by default. If you cannot find a resource type or container, click on Show More to give you all the resource types available. Remember, you always check or uncheck your filters, and that will give you different sets of results. That concludes the tutorial on information containers and how to filter by format in FlashFind. Thank you for watching. We hope this video clarifies how you can filter your search results. Please feel free to reach out to your subject librarian with any questions. Thank you.